Hello maggots and various crazy people. My name's Flaccid Fellas. Today I'm going to a compliance workshop to take a look at my AE111 Toyota LEVIN BZR that's freshly imported from New Zealand. Please excuse my awkwardness. This is my first time on a YouTube channel. As my OnlyFans channel failed miserably. But I'd just like to shout out to my man Wilbur Waltham, who looked after my car in Auckland for 4 or 5 months because it got stuck there due to an overnight rule change. It was only supposed to be at his house for 3 weeks. Got stuck there, as I say, for 4 or 5 months. He kept it charged, even washed it for me before it went on the boat. Champion. Okay, so let's go. Right, here's my trusty stallion. This is what gets me from A to B on my daily. It's as boring as a nun's vajayjay, but it's done 235,000 Ks since brand new. I've owned it brand new, and it's been fucking reliable, man. I've done nothing to it except servicing and tyres. It's still got the original brake pads. 235,000 Ks. It's comfortable as fuck, and it makes me appreciate my weekend car, but like I say, it's just boring as fuck. Yeah, so let's go. Let's go see Glam. So this is Glam Motor Group Imports. Mike, good dude, pretty solid. Go find my LEVIN. It's got a few cars in here. This is Mike's car. It's a Mark X. It's like a rear-wheel drive Camry basically, but fully optioned out. Pretty nice inside. Porsche, someone's importing. A few of these Foresters. Skyline. An MR2 that Mike's putting on the new scheme. Someone's personal import. Another Forester and a tidy Mini. It's tidy as fuck, man. And here we go. The fucking beast. Good old New Zealand AE111 Owners Club sticker here from good old Aotearoa. It's like aftermarket exhaust. He said I could take it outside and get a bit of a clearer footage of it, so I might do that. So I'll just have a quick basic show around of it while it's in his workshop. It's got a North Shore Toyota parts rego holder from good old Tamaki Makaurau, Auckland. Some parts I had in the car. Got some wrapped headers here from thanks to Glenn at North Shore Toyota Parts. Obviously this is his own personal set. Looks like lug nut, ABS alarm booklet, some gaskets I got Glenn to fix me up, genuine Toyota gaskets. Some here. A Japanese book. The car manual. When I was in New Zealand, no imports had books from Japan, so I'm not sure if that's a rarity, but none of the Jap imports I owned in New Zealand ever had books like that. So let's take this car outside and have a good look, eh? Okay, here she is out in the sunlight. You can see a bit more of a clearer picture. It's very straight, very tidy. My friend Warber, he gave it a bit of a wash before it went on the boat, but obviously it's been dirty since then. It's got genuine, what looks like to be Ray's Volk Racing TE37s from Japan. Not the biggest fan of them, but I'll probably swap them out at some point. Not sure what they're worth, if they're worth anything or not. If they are, let me know in the comment section. It's got the rare genuine Toyota visors. They're quite good condition. They're not flimsy. They're not brittle from the sun. They've been, you know, it's quite strong. Probably been garaged for maybe a period of its life. It's a very straight car. Like no obvious dings, dents, maybe a couple of very small ones, but I can't see it. I wanted the Levin over the Trino because I just like the grille more. It seems a bit more aggressive to me than just the standard sealed up Trino. We'll just see what looks like under the hood. Bear with me. And anyone who knows these cars obviously knows it's a 4AG 20 valve black top. Very good engines, very reliable, good for a lot of Ks. Good strong motors, proven in motorsport and everything else. I used to have one of these. Well, I had a silver top 4AG AE111 back in New Zealand. Great car. I've had several cars over the years. And the 4AG engine has always been probably my favourite. Like my last car was a 2017 Focus RS. Sold that so I could get one of these. Great car as well, but I don't know, just something always drawn me back to something more light, power to weight. Before my Focus RS, I had a 2015 Fiesta ST, great car. Probably my second favourite engine next to the for AG. Yeah, the 3STST was a great car. Anyone looking for a, you know, good power to weight ratio car, the 3STST was fantastic. Exceeded my expectations. Now, the interior's very tidy. Very tidy. It's my friend Rob, he had a good check over it, and he said that it was, you know, probably the tidiest one he's seen in quite some time. It's done 195,000 Ks, give or take. Yep, 195. Which is about the average for these. If you find one that's less, that's pretty good. And there's obviously quite a lot that have done a lot more Ks than these. See what the boot looks like. It's hard to see in the sunlight, but the boot mat. Oh great, no spare tyre or jack. Yeah, thanks Hella. Whether there's ever anyone in there, I don't know, but I was never notified. But it's a small hurdle. Overall, very tidy, very happy with the car. Compared to my Focus RS, this is a much smaller car. Everything on it is much lighter, even like just the weight of the doors. Weight of the doors, good old 90s Japan. So light, everything light, bonnet light, boot light. Even just sits lower to the ground. Even though my RS was lowered, this sits lower. We'll be seeing some track time, some hill runs with the boys. I've still got other mates with RSs, so I'll be up on the mountain with them, of course at the back of the pack, but we'll see how far behind I am, eh? I have a few plans for this, performance modification wise. We'll see how we go. Okay, so that's it for Glam Motorsport Imports. For the person I use to help look around, like if you want a car to help find, I can recommend Ben at J-Spec Imports. He's fantastic. But if you've got your own car and you want to just import it, if you've found it or it's a personal import, here we go, Glam Imports. See Mike, fantastic guy, fantastic, knows his stuff. Yeah, but if you want someone to look for a car for you, I recommend Ben, J-Spec Imports, and Mike at Glam. Here we go, Ben. Here's your fucking dream car, mate.
Ben Green it is,
it's got a fucking
not Ben at J-Spec Imports.
Drive and all. Jesus Christ. Alright, catch you guys.